Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. In this video you will get to around 25 questions with answers that are related to fundamentals of computer. Therefore try to attend the video till the end. Okay, let me go to the first question. Here is the first question. What is the full form of BIOS? A. Binary input-output system. B. Basic input-output system. C. Basic input of system. D. All of the above. The answer is choice B. BIOS means basic input-output system. The next question is question number 2. Which of the following is not considered as hardware? A. CPU. B. Hard disk. C. Keyboard. D. Antivirus. The answer is choice D. Antivirus is not considered as hardware. The others, CPU, hard disk, keyboard are considered as hardware. Question number 3. Here is question number 3. Which type of computer is mostly used for automated operations? A. Hybrid. B. Remote. C. Analog. D. Digital. The answer is A. Hybrid computer is mostly used for automated operations. Question number 4. What is the father of computer science? A. Alan Turing. B. John Murray. C. Adam Osborne. D. Charles Babbage. The answer is choice A. Alan Turing is the father of computer science. Question number 5. Who was the first computer programmer in the history of computer? A. Lan Murray. B. Joseph Jade. C. Ada Lovelace. D. Christopher Kiana. The answer is choice C. Ada Lovelace is the first computer programmer in the history of computer. The next question is related to Facebook. The new name of Facebook is A. Meta. B. Beta. C. Delta. D. Facepoint. The answer is C. Delta is the new name of Facebook. Question number 7. Which of the following tasks is or are performed by a computer? A. Calculation. B. Processing. C. Storing. D. All of the above. The answer is choice D. All of the above. This all that means calculation, processing, storing are all performed by computer. Question number 8. What is the full form of modem? A. Modulator, demodulator. B. Modern emulator for mobiles. C. Mobile development emulator. D. Machine operation emulator. The answer is choice A. Modem means modulator, demodulator. Question number 9. Here is question number 9. FIFO stands for, or the meaning of FIFO is first in first out. B. First enter first open. C. First instruction first operation. D. None of the above. Choice A is the answer. FIFO means first in first out. Question number 10. Here is question number 10. Which of the following programming languages are classified as low-level language? A. Prolog. B. Assembly language. C. Basic, COBOL, Fortran. D. C. C++. The answer is choice B. Assembly languages are classified as these are a low-level language. Question number 11. Here is question number 11. URL stands for A. Universal Research Location. B. Uniform Resource Location. C. Uniform Resource Locator. D. None of the above. The answer is choice C. Uniform Resource Locator. Let us go to question number 12. Storage is also known as A. Secondary storage. B. Auxiliary storage. C. Mass storage. D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Question number 13. Hyperlink is A. Blue text with bold, B. Blue text with italic, C. Blue text with underline, D. Blue text without underline. The answer is choice C. Blue text with underline. Hyperlink is blue text with underline. It is visible like this one. Question number 14. Here is question number 14. The storage which retains its data after power off is called A. Direct storage, B. Volatile storage, C. Non-volatile storage, D. Sequential storage. Choice C is the answer, non-volatile storage. Let me go to question number 15. Here is question number 15. Which of the following group has only input device? A. Mouse, keyboard, scanner, B. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, C. Mouse, keyboard, printer, D. Mouse, keyboard, plotter. The answer is A. Mouse, keyboard, scanner is an input. These are an input device. Let me go to question number 16. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is called blank. A. Uniprocessor, B. Multi-threaded, C. Multiprocessor, D. Multi-programming. The answer is choice C. Multiprocessor is a computer that has more than one processor. Sorry for the bad sound that is observed at the back of me. Question number 17. The non-physical component of a computer are called A. CPU, B. software, C. hardware, D. all of the above. The answer is B. These are the non-physical component of a computer. Question number 18. Here is question number 18. What type of software is an antivirus system? Software is an antivirus software. A. System software, B. application software, C. cleaning software, D. utility software. The answer is choice D. This antivirus software is a utility software. Question number 19. Here is question number 19. What is light pen? A. Optical input device, B. Optical output device, C. Mechanical input device, D. Electronic input device. Choice A is the answer. Optical input device is the answer. Question number 20. The most widely used input device is A. keyboard, B. monitor, C. modem, D. mouse. The most widely used input device is a keyboard. The answer is A. 21. Hard disk drives are considered as dash storage. A. temporary, B. flash, C. non-volatile, D. non-permanent. The answer is choice C. Non-volatile is the answer. Question number 22. Which of the following is the smallest computer? A. laptop, B. desktop, C. notebook, D. workstation. The answer is choice C. Question number 23. Which of the following shortcut key is used to start slide show? A. F1 key, B. F3, C. F5, D. F7 key. The answer is choice C. F5 key is the shortcut which is used to start slideshow. Question number 24. Here is question number 24. What is the shortcut key to open run dialog box? What is the shortcut key to open run dialog box? A. Alt plus R, B. Win plus R, C. Shift plus R, D. Control plus R. The answer is choice B. Win plus R is used to open run dialog box. The last question, question number 25, is the last but not the least. What's the full form of virus? A. Very intelligent result until source, B. Vital information resource under siege, C. Very interchanged resource under threat, D. Viral important record user searched. The answer is choice B. Virus means vital information resource under siege. It is its meaning. Okay, this is the last part of my video. Please subscribe my channel and attend my channel, because I will provide so many questions and answers that are related to fundamentals of computer and or another that is computer and mobile technology, or you will get an information that is used to fix a computer and mobile problems. Okay, so this is the end. Bye bye.